Most local businesses still don't realize this. AI isn't about chatbots. It's not about random automation. It's not about some shiny tool to look at later. The real opportunity is turning a website into a 24/7 AI employee, a website that answers questions, a website that books appointments, a website that captures leads, even when the shop is closed. That's why talking websites are becoming one of the biggest opportunities for local businesses and for anyone building an AI agency right now. So let me show you how fast it actually is to do this. In this video, I'm going to build a talking website for an auto mechanic. I'll spin up the website, build the AI voice agent, and add it to the site, and then test it live. So let's jump in. I'm inside GoHighLevel. The first thing I do is grab a niche-specific website template for an auto repair shop. This is already designed for conversions. It already looks professional, and it takes minutes, not hours. You can light up the edits or go deeper if you want. Either way, this already puts the business ahead of most of their competitors. So let's build a website and an AI voice agent for an auto repair shop. We're going to go into HighLevel, and we're going to create a new website. We're going to choose templates, and we're going to search for auto repair and see what we have. No auto repair. How about mechanic? And there we are. Let's look at this one. Pretty cool. Okay, let's go with this. Let's choose this template. Now it's going to upload the template into your HighLevel account. Now you can use AI to help you customize the site. You can also just go in and do things like add your customer's logo here. Any additional things that you want to edit, you can edit those. It's really easy to do. Oh, look at that. A 911. How'd they know? Okay, you've got a mobile version of the site. Also, now we're going to save this. We're going to back out of it. Now here's where the real difference comes in. This website doesn't just exist, it engages. So next, I'm going to build the AI voice agent specifically for an auto mechanic. This agent is trained for this niche, for this business, and for this type of customer. It can answer questions like, do you work on my type of vehicle? How soon can I get in? Do you offer free estimates? Are you open today? This is what turns a normal website into a talking website. Now I'm going to go find an auto repair business that I want to build the prompt from. So I'm going to say auto mechanic in Dallas. How about we go Highland Auto Center? Let's give this a look. Okay. Looks like they do a lot of stuff. Very cool. They have a contact us today, schedule an appointment, but they don't have any widget. We're just going to use them to create the fake prompt for a fake mechanic. This is how you would do it if you were doing it for your customer. So I'm going to drop in this URL. Now I'm just going to answer the questions that it asks. So it asked me for the URL. Then it says, is this the correct business name? I'm going to say yes. Is that the phone number? I'm going to say yes. What is the best email address for the business? I'm going to say none. Can you confirm the address? I'm going to say, actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 123 Main. Business hours, that looks good. Yes. Can you confirm the time zone? Good. Based on the website, here are services I found. Auto repair, brake, oil change, engine repair, transmission, tire, wheel alignment, etc. Good. I'm going to say looks good. Great. We'll use this list for company services. Next, what should the AI voice agent be? I'll say John. Next, please share any additional links you'd like John. I'll say none. Now it says, would you like to include any FAQs? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have it suggest them. Hey, based on what you see on this website URL, I'd like you to explain, actually, I'd like you to suggest FAQs for me. Okay, that looks good. Next, would you like John to ask the caller's zip code? I'll say no. We are trying to book an appointment. Next, are there any additional goals you'd like John to accomplish on the call besides collecting the caller's name and email, booking an appointment? I'll just say we want these. Great, no additional goals. What should John say when answering the phone? Hey, thanks for calling Highlands Auto Center. This is John. How can I help you today? I'll say looks good. Next, would you like John to collect any additional information from the caller, such as reason for calling, vehicle type, license plate? If yes, one at a time. Okay. I'd like the vehicle type, any issue that they are having with the vehicle, any service that they know they would like to have taken care of. Now it gives me some discovery questions, and those look good. So I'm going to say, looks good. Now it's written the prompt for me that we're going to use to create our AI agent. I'm going to wait till it's finished. Now I'm going to copy the code. Now let's go build the AI voice agent. Now I'm in my HighLevel account in a company called Demo Company, which is like it sounds. It's what I use to create demos. So let's go into Voice AI, Agent List, and let's create a new agent. We're going to create a custom agent. Hit Continue. I'm going to name this John Mechanic. The company we're going to call Auto Mechanics. Now, obviously, you would put in the name of the business, but since I'm just doing this for demos, I'm just doing this as Auto Mechanic so I can segment these to show you the demo. On this initial message, I'm going to come back to this. So for right now, I'm going to hit skip. I'm going to next. I'm going to switch to advanced mode. I'm not going to choose a knowledge base at this time. We can show you how to do that in another video where you actually create a knowledge base for your agent. Right now, we just have a simple prompt that we're using to create a demo. So I'm going to take the prompt that's already in here and I'm going to delete it. And then I'm going to replace it with the prompt that we just created. Then I'm going to read through the prompt, just make sure there's nothing in there that I don't want to use or any adjustments I want to make to it. Now that I have reviewed the prompt and I'm happy with what it says, I'm going to go to the conversation flow. I'm going to copy the initial message and put that back on the first page. So I'm going to grab this right here. I'm going to copy this. Actually, let's save this. We'll go to John Mechanic. We'll go back into agent details. I'm going to paste it right here in the initial message. Now I'm going to hit save. Now I'm going to go to voice and I'm actually going to change it from Jessica to John. Okay, now I'm going to change the voice from female to male. So let's prop in here, see what we've got. I'm going to go with American accent, gender, male, high quality, and then let's listen to a few of these and test them out.
Chris McGuire here from Chicago.
Nope.
Sharing kindness is like a...
Jackson not only sounds great.
Hey guys, here's just a more casual, kind of relaxed
Okay,
version
let's
of
go
my
with Mark and hit save. In advanced settings, you can extend the call time. So let's take that up to 15 minutes. Agent behavior, response speed. Let's go with moderate. And then voice settings. Let's go with voice speed. I'm going to move that up a little bit to 105. Confirm. There's all kinds of things that you can play with in the voice settings to get it just exactly the way you want. Agent goals. We've already created the prompt. Now, if you want, you can trigger a workflow after the call is complete. We're not going to do that in this example. You can also send a transcript of the call to anyone you want. So you can send it to all admins, all users, a specific user, custom email, anywhere you want to send that. Phone and availability. If you're doing AI voice, you can select a number. But in this case, we're just doing a talking website. So we're doing AI voice on the website. We do not need a phone number. We're going to test it. We're going to click web call and start the web call.
Hi, thanks for calling Magic Mechanic Auto Center. This is John. How can I help you today?
Hey, John, I was hoping to get in for an alignment.
Got it. Let's get you set up for that alignment. Can I start with your first and last name?
Steve Jones.
Thanks, Steve. Just to confirm, that's SteveJones, right?
That's good. Hey, John, I've got to go real quick. I'll call you back.
No problem, Steve. Thanks for calling Magic Mechanic Auto Center. We'll be here when you're ready to call back. Have a great day.
Once the agent is ready, I'll drop it into a voice-enabled chat and add it directly to the website. No custom code, no complicated setup. Now the website talks. All right, now let's put this on our website. So we're going to go to sites and we're going to chat widget. We're going to create a new widget, call it a voice widget, and you can customize the widget any way you want. You can have an avatar or no avatar. You can choose the different icons that go, or you can add one. Let's say we add this orb. There we go. You can add a different message if you want. You can do a custom greeting if you want to say something different than this. And then on the widget customization, you can use a different avatar. So let's go with this guy right here. And then you can put it elsewhere on the site. Right now, we're going to just keep it in the bottom right corner of the site. On the chat window, this is what it looks like. You can change any of this, edit it. I'm going to turn off HIPAA, that we don't need that for this auto mechanic. Messaging, we're going to keep it English. The agent, we're going to change this to be John, the mechanic. change this to say John, and now I'm going to hit save. And now we've attached the AI voice to this web chat widget. And now we're going to add this to the website. So let's call this John Mechanic. It saves. Let's go to websites and our mechanic website that we just built, settings, and then I'm going to choose John Mechanic. Now that's the widget that I've just attached to this site. Let me show you what this exactly sounds like. I'm going to role play as a real customer calling an auto shop, and you'll hear how natural this interaction is. Now let's see it live. Here's our site. Here's our web chat widget. Let's give John a call.
Hi, thanks for calling Magic Mechanic Auto Center. This is John. How can I help you today?
Hey, John, I'm looking for someone who can do an alignment on my car.
Got it. We can definitely help with a wheel alignment. Let me start by getting your first and last name so I can assist you better.
It's Steve Jones.
Thanks, Steve. Just to confirm, that's SteveJones, right?
Yes.
Perfect, thanks. Now, could I grab your email address to keep everything on file?
It's steveloveshiscar@gmail.com.
Got it. So that's SteveLoveshiscar@gmail.com, correct?
That's correct.
Great, thanks for confirming. What type of vehicle do you have, Steve?
I have a 1978 Camaro.
Nice choice, Steve. A classic 78 Camaro. All right, can you tell me if you're experiencing any specific issues with the alignment? Or is this just routine maintenance?
Yeah, it's just routine maintenance. And my other mechanic shop that I use, they moved out of town. So I'm looking for a new place. And I'd really like you to go over the whole thing if you could. Not just an alignment, maybe an oil change and anything else you would suggest.
Got it, Steve. So you're looking for an alignment, possibly an oil change, and a general inspection to make sure everything's in good shape. Sounds like a solid plan. Have you noticed anything unusual with the car recently, or is it running pretty smoothly?
It's running pretty smoothly, but it's an old car. Are there any other things that you would think that we should take a look at?
Makes sense, Steve. With a classic like your 78 Camaro, it's always a good idea to check the suspension, brakes, and maybe the belts and hoses. Those can wear out over time. We can also take a look at the fluids and filters while we're at it. How does that sound?
Yeah, that sounds good.
All right, Steve, let's get you set up. Would you like to schedule an appointment for this? We're open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. What day and time works best for you?
Is it something that I could do in a day? Like, would I drop it off in the morning and pick it up in the afternoon, or would you need it longer?
Great question. For an alignment, oil change, and a general inspection, we can usually get it all done in the same day if you drop it off in the morning. If anything unexpected comes up during the inspection, we'd give you a call to discuss it. Does that work for you?
That sounds good. Can I drop it off Wednesday morning?
Sure thing. Let me confirm, you're looking to drop off your Camaro this Wednesday morning, February 3rd. Does 8 a.m. work for you?
Yeah, that's good.
Perfect. I've got you down for Wednesday, February 3rd at 8 a.m. We'll take care of the alignment, oil change, and a full inspection. Anything else you'd like us to check while it's in?
No.
All right, Steve, you're all set for Wednesday at 8 a.m. Thanks for choosing us to take care of your Camaro. We're looking forward to seeing you. Have a great day. Bye for now.
Thanks. You too. Bye. And just like that, you've built a smart, talking website for an auto mechanic, helping them to engage with more leads than ever before, helping them with booking, answering FAQs, resulting in more sales and more booked appointments for their business, which makes it an ROI no-brainer for them to pay you monthly recurring revenue of $300, $500, or even more every single month. And you set it up one time and then monitor it. And that's the moment where everything clicks. Instead of missed calls, instead of forms that nobody fills out, instead of voicemails that just get dropped after hours, the business gets conversations, booked appointments, qualified leads automatically. If this helps an auto shop book just one extra repair a month, it easily pays for itself. That's why agencies are confidently charging $300, $500, even $1,000 per month for this. You set it up once and you get paid every month. Now, if you'd like access to the exact GPT prompt I use to write and structure my AI voice agents, here's what you need to do. Drop a comment below with the words AI Auto. Please like and share the video, and I'll send you a personal invite to my AI SaaS launch community, where you'll get immediate access to the GPT that I use to write niche-specific AI voice agents. You'll also get a free 30-day trial to the software that I use, GoHighLevel, using my affiliate link. Then once you activate your 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel on the agency or SaaS Pro plan, you'll unlock my AI agency website template, my AI demo drop system, and access coaching and additional assets in my prolific AI SaaS community. Look, if you're serious about building an AI agency the right way with real demos, real authority, and real leverage, then this is your next step. I'll see you on the inside, and I'll see you on the next video.